Hey, Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. We are in downtown London. Client gave us a privilege to re-roof their building. This was a different situation. You can go ahead and take a look. This roof is well past its life cycle. They've had a lot of leaks. So what they've asked us to do, we've given them a couple options. One option, a complete tear off and a new roof to the deck. They decided, we gave prices for both options, they decided to go with the layover. So what that means is we're going to put a new substrate over the old roof and a new substrate. Now we're going to have a separation layer. It's nice and dry. It's acceptable to go on, and a new base and cap. So there we go. That's the plan. We have some stairs. We have a drain, a vent. We have some siding details we have to deal with. It's going to be a tricky job. It's going to be a little slower than normal. We'll show you what it looks like. Hopefully you like it. Thank you. Hey, Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. We're partway through installing the peel and stick base sheet. So we want to show you what it looks like. This is an existing staircase behind me. It couldn't get removed. It wasn't in the budget, so we had to work with what we have. We have to raise it and make sure a new base sheet, this is the new base sheet getting installed. We wanted to raise it just with simple bottle jacks, keeping it up just enough to be able to get the roof. New membrane underneath. We have a new drain we're installing. Here's a separation board. Again, this is a recovery system, so we're going over the existing. We just fastened down a new separation board, and away we go. So just sometimes when you get things in way and you can't remove them completely, really you'd like to move them completely, you just want to raise it just enough to get the roof on. We have another deck here, we have to do the same thing, and a air conditioning unit in the background. So we're going to show you what it looks like. We'll show you what it looks like when all the base sheet's down, and we go from there. Hey, Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. It's been a tough few days. We got the base sheet and the field of the cap done. Go ahead and take a look behind me. So we have the field of the cap done. It's all welded. The stairs have now been put back, so we had to hoist these up, and we put them back. When you have a bit of weight on this roof, you want to put a bit of insulation before the weight touches the membrane. Keeps it clean and taken care of. We also roofed in. There's a stack vent and another stack vent here, and the back deck. So again, we had to raise it, get our membrane in. We have some flashing we have to install behind the vinyl. So we still have some membrane flashing and some metal, but now we're basically watertight for the most part. It's going to rain for the next couple of days, and then we're back here to finish the membrane flashing and the metal flashing. Thanks a lot. Hey, Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. We finished the job. Wonderful client downtown. Got the privilege of re-roofing this beautiful historic building. Go ahead and take a look behind us. We have a couple staircases and a deck that we had to raise. That was kind of the most important detail we wanted to make sure we got underneath it. We have some brick tie-in details on our wall. We have one roof drain underneath this ladder, and we have a vinyl siding detail we did. Job turned out beautiful. Remember, it was a pretty old roof, a lot of repairs, kind of a lot of struggling with just constantly fixing. Now they have a beautiful roof they can depend on for years. If you live in Southwestern Ontario, we'd love to hear from you. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thank you so much.